Here are 5 things you didn't know about Uber drivers, whose honesty completely changed their lives. First, an Uber driver in Miami found a briefcase with $424,000 in cash, left by a business executive. Instead of keeping it, he immediately contacted the passenger and returned every dollar. The grateful executive gave him a $10,000 reward and offered him a management position at his company. Second, a driver in Seattle returned a laptop containing cryptocurrency worth $50,000. The tech startup owner was so impressed, he hired the driver as head of security. Third, a driver found wedding rings worth $30,000 and tracked down the panicked bride. The wedding planner gave him free services for his own daughter's wedding. Fourth, a driver returned rare baseball cards worth $75,000 to a collector. In gratitude, the collector gifted him a vintage Mustang. Finally, a driver returned USB drives containing pharmaceutical research worth $2 million. The company gave him $50,000 and full college scholarships for both his children. Honesty literally transformed these ordinary drivers into success stories.